In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira Scrum project. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or someone who's just beginning their journey in agile methodologies, setting up a Jira Scrum project can significantly streamline your workflow and improve your team's efficiency. The process of creating a Scrum project on Jira is straightforward, but it's essential to understand each step to leverage Jira to its fullest potential. To begin with, you should navigate to your Jira dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll find a navigation panel. Go ahead and locate projects in this menu and give it a click. This is where all project management magic in Jira starts. Once you're in the projects area, you'll notice a button labeled Create Project. Clicking this button is your first step towards launching your Scrum project. When prompted, you'll need to select a template. Here, you'll choose Scrum as the template for your project. Scrum is a popular agile framework that helps teams work collaboratively to generate high quality work at a sustainable pace. Choosing the correct template is crucial because it ensures that Jira configures the project with the right set of tools and features designed to accommodate the Scrum methodology. Next, Jira will ask you to choose the type of project you'd like to create. You'll have two options, a team-managed project or a company-managed project. Team-managed projects offer more flexibility for smaller teams, while company-managed projects are more suited for consistency across larger organizations. Take a moment to consider the scope and scale of your project before making your choice. Once you've selected your project type, it's time to input some key information. Specifically, you'll need to give your project a name. This can be reflective of the project goals or a catchy phrase your team identifies with. Simply type in your chosen name, and Jira will automatically generate a key for you based on this name. This key will serve as a unique identifier for your project within Jira. The next decision involves selecting the access level for your project. You can set the project to private, limited, or open, depending on who you want to grant access to. A private setting restricts accessibility to the project team, limited allows for more people within your organization to view it, and open makes it available broadly within your organization. Choose what best suits your project's needs for confidentiality and collaboration. Now that you've entered all necessary details, you can go ahead and click Create Project to finalize the setup process, and just like that, your new Scrum project will be created. Jira will then prompt you to invite teammates. You can do this immediately or choose to skip for now and invite teammates later. Upon completion, you'll be directed to your brand new Scrum project, ready to start managing and tracking your team's work in an agile environment. Congratulations on setting up your Jira Scrum project.